Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aquarius, if you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards here. We have Initiate of Moons, Two of Suns and the Moon. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, guys, Aquarius, maybe for some of you, it may be in your career situation or it may be in this relationship. You are maybe having some intuition or some kind of impulse or instincts telling you how things will go in your life today. Maybe some kind of uncertainty is there in your situation. And you may feel influenced, maybe some subconscious urges or influences. You may see some signs in your dreams, something telling you what needs to be done. And maybe when you are making some important decision, you may have your intuition working for you, guys, telling you what needs to be done today. And I also see that you are having some heaviness in your heart. You are maybe carrying the past hurts. Something is really stressing you, worrying you a lot. And you are maybe holding on to that pain, or you have not yet healed from your past, guys. Maybe you would have had some arguments or some stressful situation with this person and you are unable to forget that and move on. You are still thinking about that situation, carrying that pain in your heart, worrying that things went in a particular way and you were helpless, unable to change anything in that situation, and you are still you just wish that things went differently with this person, guys, Aquarius. And you are worried about your past, guys, still thinking about what happened. But you need to understand that there is some kind of a person or an opportunity for a new relationship waiting for you. And you need to let go of your past hurt and move on. See what is right there in front of you, guys. So you need to understand that and you need to be careful. Maybe this person looks very attractive and you may see them as a very good person, but they may have their true face hidden. So you need to be really careful, guys, Aquarius. That is also what I see. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the Empress in reverse, guys. So with this card, this person is simply trying to dominate you, guys, maybe. So they may maybe for some of you, if you are in a relationship, but for some of you, I see that you have a lot of hurt and pain, maybe because of the way they behave, their attitude. They do not have love or true concern on you. They are here just to make use of you, and they are telling few things that is impossible for you to do. So a lot of pain and stress you feel with this person, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Seven of Stars. So with this card in your career situation, guys, Aquarius, there is some kind of news coming in, guys. Maybe for some of you, you need to be quite careful, take precautions, because it may point out to you some things you need to correct yourself on. Otherwise, it will take you to some kind of a very bad situation, guys. So some kind of warning coming in today. It may be a person telling you what needs to be done. So if they are advising you on certain things in your career, you need to listen to it, guys. Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading. And maybe for some of you, there are people warning you about certain things, maybe some important decisions that you are taking up in your career. You have to listen to it, guys, and do not take it lightly. That is what I see, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, let's see what is the card and what is the reading, guys, with that card. So we have enter the garden of delights. That is the card, guys. So in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your past you have seen lot of stressful things. Maybe people have left you and you are immensely hurt and you are not ready to move on. You are still in that sadness and sorrow and you are not enjoying what is right there in front of you. You have not healed from your situation, guys, and you just want to continue in the same way of your life. You are not trying to even change. But you need to understand that life is a flowing river. So only when we change ourselves with how our circumstances are changing, we are going to live, guys. So in order to live a peaceful life, in order to achieve that purpose of our life, you need to move on. Let yourself go from that frozen moments of the past and be ready to taste your present. So what is being offered to you in your present situation? You need not worry, because all that is coming towards you is going to change you in a very beautiful way, and you just need to ready to accept what is coming your way and let go of all the horrors of the past away from you, guys. And this garden here now is to be is to be relished with your senses, tasted, seen, heard, touched and inhaled, and also to be loved. So what is there right in front of you? You must use your senses to realize its true nature, guys. And the new day is here, a new beginning is here. So celebration is imminent and you need to let go of your past to relish what is there right in front of you, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, guys, let's see what is the card. And it is Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, you need to appreciate even the smallest things you have, guys. Whatever blessings you have, maybe blessings in the form of possessions, things, or people, friends, whatever it is. So when you appreciate even the smaller things, smaller fortunes you are having today, it is simply going to multiply, and you are going to enjoy greater things in life, guys. So you need to make this a habit to have that peace, happiness, and contentment in your heart today. And just like the sisters we see here in this card, guys, one sister is for darkness and one is for light. So we all have that light and dark within ourselves, and we must never reject what we do not like, the aspects of our own self, but we should understand it, and we should be able to embrace both the aspects and work in harmony, guys. So we need not make people afraid by the darkness we have in us, but we should use it as an opportunity to be generous, to be kind, and to solidify the bonds we have with the people in our life. So that is the blessing we can wish for and ask for in our situation. And also you need to understand that you should have that clarity in your heart and be able to see beyond appearances, maybe with yourself. Just like you have the light and dark, each and every one of us have that light energy and dark energy in us, and we need to find the right way to communicate with people and have that clarity, guys, in our situation. And this card also stands for a beautiful communication with our loved ones, with our family. So maybe for some of you, if you are expecting or if you want to communicate, that is what is going to happen today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.